Welcome back again, all you guys, and just another episode of EJ Show. It's day 22, and it's day 20 of English to English Show, EJ Show. And it's nice to meet you all guys again and again after each day is being moving forward, right? So it's just a nice evening, right? Okay, we are just moving to our first segment, that is English vocabulary bank, and we are just reviewing the six words which six vocabulary that been taught earlier in our episodes. So just be calm and be peaceful in and just listen to that reviewing process. And just I am using the flashcard, so just make sure that you all are listening to each and every phrase or the vocabulary that I am reviewing reviewing now. So just listen to each and every words. And the first word is harbinger, a signal that something is going to happen. And the next one is saccharine, extremely sweet in taste. And the next one is delicacy, extreme care in handling something. Then the next word is fluviophile, a person who deeply enjoys the rain. And the next word is felicity, intense feeling of happiness. And the next word is dissemble, hide your true feelings. And that's all for today. And we are just winding the first segment, that is vocabulary bank, and just we are moving to the next segment, that is open fire. And today for discussing what subject, I think there is something, yeah. After today noon I saw some movie which is named Nirel, which means that shadow, and it's a Malayalam movie, and which is cast and crew is about, you are familiar with, and which is Kunchaka Boban and Nayantara, lady superstar in Tamil industry. So they are the main cast within the movie. I For the first 1 hour, around 1 hour, I saw that this movie can be a very good storyteller movie. So but after that I see that there is that much what Panjay twist, anything like that. It's a normal movie, but at uh, it, at the initial stage, I saw that it can be a blockbuster or something like that with that much twist. I think it's been a have a nature of investigation way, but it's totally a completely a, what it's dragged into another portion of story which we can't expect, or what we are just adjusting that climax or something like that. It's ending without any that much clarity in the story. So first it's in first its initial stage, it's a something, a movie which has that much strong feeling that it can be what reach in a better way in each and every audience that have unique features that they all like that movie. But after that it can promise or can make that promise to the mark. So we see that. But one thing I want to uh, stress or should be taken into consider, that the cinematography is something which is very nice to the feel. So I like the movie in that, in a way that we can see the first 1 hour is something which is around almost, I liked it, the way they present the story, the intense feeling of that suspense is already been there, and that's the main thing that I loved the most in that movie. So which but the rest is not up to the mark in my perception. So as I reviewed it with my perceptions, I think it's not up to the mark, but it's nice. I think for the last 2 days, within the last 2 days, I also saw another Kunjaka Boban's cast acted film, which is Nayat, which also co-stars are Jojo George and Nimisha Sajan. But it's nice, something which is a reality movie, realistic movie, which shows the face of the Kerala police, how they influence in the society and how they can trouble or how they can come out of a situation uh, which is happened within them, and how they can overcome within the system that already been there are so many political influences as the ruling party will lead them to the controlling the entire police system. So there also are influences of the society, the economy. So we can see that it's already been mentioned in that movie, and something which is very nicely present, the crisp and crunch already been there in that movie, because it's been a binge watch movie, because we can't see any lag within any shot. It's continuously coordinated within perfectly, and the director is something you know that the ABCD director Charlie's director Martin Brackett, and he do a fantastic job within his limitations. So I liked very much. I liked the second movie, which is the Nayat, far better than Nidal, because there is no that much how they present the movie, which I already want to say it's about the Nidal shadow, and its presentation is very good, but the storyline they want to be much more, how that much content within the storyline. I saw something lacking within the storyline, so that's a way why that's a reason why I am saying that it's which is something average or at par movie as compared to that Nayat. It is a realistic movie, and we can resemble so many police staff resembles them with our reality, our real police station, and we can see that much uh, what happening events in our daily life. So what the Kerala politics is actually, or the what the currently how Kerala is moving uh, forward, and it's correctly been presented, and the how influence society is being influenced by political parties, their group, by the police group, or that department, how they influenced being in the society, or the citizens, or the common people which have that much SCST category, or non-scheduled non-scheduled category group, SCST group. They all are being summed up within that movie, and how they really influenced, or how they can overcome that barriers or feelings within them. They totally totally figured it, or they totally made that movie with that much realistic feelings, and we can see that they already done a fantastic job as they acted properly or perfectly with that roles they have been given, and they all done their best, or one of their best films. So it's nice, and we can see that that much potential actors are being coming up with Mollywood, and we can see, so also we can see in future there will be fantastic movies, or fruitful movies, or content based movies will be happen, and we are we all are enjoying, or we are we all have been waiting for some entertainment movies, right? So how they can make us enjoy that 2.5 hours can be determined only by the content which they want to display to the vast or extreme group of viewers, and how they want to present it. It's also been uh, one factor which we want to, or they want to discuss, or they want to uh, think about it, and it's all about that. And we are just winding the today's episode of EJ show. It's day 20 uh, 20 of today's episode, EJ show, English to English show, and here Jidin winding up. We will see next day with another topic and some review uh, flow, review operations also, phases also. So until then, bye bye, tata, take care.